Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I will tell you the full process of how to fill the MSC DNS sponsorship exam 2021 form. Their form has been released on 6th July, means today is 6th July, so today they have released their form. You can fill their form, but there are some tricks on their form which I will show you in this video. So in this video I will tell you the full process step by step what you have to do. So guys, before start this video I will tell you that if you want MSC study material plus your MSC DNS sponsorship sample papers plus psychometric test is a very important test for this selection procedure. And if you want DNS sponsorship interview question, you can get all this study material in my description section. You will get the links, so you can visit that links for the study material. So guys, let's start today's video. So once you will open their website mscshipmanagement.com, I will give this link in my description section. Then you will get their website, MSC Ship Management website. So you will scroll down, then here you will get one link that is given step 1, and click here for the registration, and you have to click here. Okay, and below this you will get all the information about this examination that I have already shown in my earlier videos. So guys, you have to click here. Okay, then you have to click on the option here, HERE is written blue color. Then you will get the new page. Then here you will get some information, your online registration date, registration ending date and exam dates, and some information are given over here. Please read all the information properly. Then for filling this form you have to click here login option. Okay, then you have to click on register. Here it is written register if you don't have an account. You are new, then you have to click on here register. Okay, then you will get one form, that is first name, last name and email address, and confirm email address, then mobile number. Then once you will click here continue, you please provide all the information that which are valid and true, because you will get all the information in your mail and in your phone number only. Okay, so this information should be correct. Once you will click here on continue, then you will get one email on your registered email ID. That one OTP you will get. Okay, and that OTP you have to put over here only. After that your registration will be success. Then you will get one email. I will show you that one type of email you will get over here. That this is the mail for the OTP. You will get that your OTP is this, and you will get one email like this, that your username and password, email address and mobile number. Okay, so this is my username and this is my password. I have to copy, and 8000187. Then I will put here 8000187 and password. Then I log in. So guys, this is the form. Okay, you have to put over here your first name, last name, email address, confirm email address. You already sign in. So guys, here you can see there are 4 more total portals: registration info, basic details, educational details and declaration. Once you have put all this information in your registration info, you will save and continue. Okay, then after in second, basic details, you have to put all this information, basic. You have to select 12th or graduation. Then you have to select your gender, male or female, then nationality, Indian, then your father's name, mother's name, date of birth. Okay, all this red color, this star marks, these are the mandatory. You have to fill all this, your address, one, city, state, pin code, your date of online examination. You can choose whatever date you want. You can choose over here. If you want on 22nd July this time, then you can select this one, and if you want Saturday or Sunday, you can select any of this. Okay, so after filling this form, let's put something. Then you have to put your address. Then you have to here save and continue. Okay. Then you will go to the next page. Okay, then next is educational details. You have to fill all this information. Okay, your 10th qualification details, 12th qualification details, and if you have graduation, then you have to fill all this. Then you have to do save and continue. Okay, after this you have to fill declaration, and after filling all this, then you will get some links for the payments. Then you have to do payments, and remaining all the steps, all the procedures they will do on your that registered email ID which you have put over here. Okay, on your registration info. So in the first stage, registration information should be correct: your registered email address, your phone number, and your name. And then you will get your username and password on your registered mail ID. Then you have to click. Then first you have to click here. Okay. And then you have to click on I have already registered. Then I will show you how to do it. There you will get some login option. Already I have shown in this video. Okay, here. Once you will click on login option, then you will get the column for username and password. Then you have to write your username and password, and then you have to log in. Then you can fill all the information, and if you want you can change your password also. Okay, you can log out also. So these are the full procedures for filling this MSc DNS Sponsorship Examination 2021 form. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share this video to your other friends. If you have any doubt about this examination, you can check all the information on their website only. And if you want any type of more information, you can tell me on my comment section. I will try to help you. And if you are worried about the IMU city, I hope IMU will release some process or they will do some examination. So guys, this is the full process of how to fill their form. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share this video to your other friends who are going to fill the MSc DNS Sponsorship Examination form 2021. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos. So today I am ending this video here only. Take care and goodbye.